Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is FAIRPHONE 5 and in this video I am going to show you how to change notification sound on this device. Alright, so to do this we have to open our settings and next open sound and vibration option. And now right here, as you can see, we have default notification sound, but we can choose, for example, this one or this or this. And that's how you change notification sound. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!